This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Kathy Macklin. Absolutely stunning. Tastefully decorated throughout, you'll fall in love with this home at the front door. Open floor plan but oh so cozy. Flex room to the left of the front entrance makes it a perfect spot for an office, music room, or play area for the kids. Huge kitchen island with seating for 4, adjacent dining area to accommodate a larger crowd. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and white cabinets. Gas fireplace in family room, wood floors on first floor. Amazing master bedroom with ensuite bath, second floor, 2 large walk-in closets, large tiled shower, private water closet. Upstairs loft area perfect for a great escape. Close to shopping, restaurants, and military bases. For more information,